Today we are going to learn how to write chemical formula. It's easier than you think. Let's break it down together. First of all, what is chemical formula? It's like a recipe that tells us exactly what elements are in a compound and how many of each. For example, H2O means two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom make water. NaCl means one sodium atom and one chlorine atom make salt. Here is how we write them in few easy steps. Every compound has two parts. First one, a positive part, usually metals like sodium ion, calcium ion. A negative part, usually non-metals like chloride ion, oxide ion. Remember, always write the positive part first and then negative, like in sodium chloride. Sodium comes before chlorine. Now each element has a charge. Sodium ion has positive 1, calcium ion has positive 2, and oxygen has negative 2. Step number 2. Note the valency of each ion. Valency is the combining capacity of an element, written as subscript. For example, sodium and chlorine make sodium chloride, calcium and oxygen make calcium oxide. Step number 3. Cross exchange the valencies. Swap the valency numbers and write them as subscript. Ignore the positive or negative sign. For example, magnesium and chlorine make magnesium chloride. Aluminium and oxygen make aluminium oxide. Step number 4. Simplify if charges are equal. If the cations and anions have the same valency, then no subscripts are needed. For example, sodium ions and chloride ion are written together as NaCl. Step number 5. Handling polyatomic ions. Radicals are the groups of atoms with a net charge. For example, sulfate ion, nitrate ion, phosphate ion. They are written in parentheses first. For example, aluminium plus sulfate is written like this. Final summary is cation first, anion second. Write valencies as subscripts, cross-exchange valencies to get subscripts. Use parentheses for polyatomic ions. Now you can easily write chemical formula. तो इसकी फाइनल समरी कुछ इस तरह से है कि सबसे पहले जो पॉइंट नंबर 1 है हमेशा केटाइन पहले लिखना है और फिर अनाइन की बारी आएगी. इसी तरह से वैलेंसी यानी चार्ज को ऊपर लिखना है, जैसे कि वो पॉजिटिव हो या नेगेटिव साइन हो तो उसे हमेशा ऊपर लिखना है. नंबर 3, जो स्टेप नंबर इसका 3 है वो ये है कि वैलेंसीज को क्रॉस करके सबस्क्रिप्ट्स बनाना है. जैसे कि मैग्नीशियम और ऑक्सीजन की जो वैलेंसीज हैं वो तो बराबर हैं, तो वो किस तरह से लिखेंगे MgO. अगर वैलेंसीज मुख्तलिफ हों जैसे कि एलुमिनियम और ऑक्सीजन की, तो फिर वो बनेगा Al2O3. इसी तरह से स्टेप नंबर 4 है पॉलीएटॉमिक आयंस के लिए ब्रैकेट्स ज़रूरी होती हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए कंडीशन ये है कि अगर उनका सबस्क्रिप्ट जो है वो एक से ज़्यादा हो. मिसाल के तौर पर कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट